I'm all for healthy resolutions, but at this point in the winter, it's all about comfort food. I'm Stacie Billis, and this is my green chili cheesy rice. If you ask me, family eating is all about ease and of course, balance too. This green chili cheesy rice is so delicious and comforting. It is perfect for those cold, cold days. If you already have my book, Make It Easy, then you have the recipe in there already. If you don't, I'm gonna give it to you today, but you want this book, obviously. Hello, 120 mix and match recipes that are so simple and actually make use of store-bought shortcuts also. But to the point, today, you heard green chili, you heard cheesy. Rice is always a great stick to your ribs comfort food. Let's get to it. For this recipe, you're gonna need cooked rice. This is actually the perfect thing to make when you have leftover. Butter, a can of chopped green chilies. I use mild because that's what my kids like, but feel free to spice it up. Shredded cheddar or jack cheese, sour cream, cottage cheese, salt, and fresh cilantro. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and buttering a 3-quart baking dish. Now, if you haven't already cooked the rice, you want to do that. Just cook it according to package instructions. But hopefully you have some left over and that makes this very quick and easy. Then you want to melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan and you want to saute the onions and the chilies. You just want to make sure to cook off all of the liquid. The onions should be translucent and you want everything to be nice and fragrant. Then in a large bowl, you want to combine the cooked rice, half of the shredded cheese, the onion and chili mixture, and all the rest of the ingredients. Mix it up really well, transfer it to the buttered baking dish, and then add the remaining shredded cheese on top so it gets a nice melty crust on top. Pop into a preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes, and out comes the most delectable winter comfort food. You're gonna end up making this all the time. I promise, it's so delicious. If you like the sound of this recipe, and I don't know how you couldn't, it's cheesy rice, people. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you want more easy weeknight dinner recipes like this one, be sure to subscribe. A new video comes out every week.